1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About to bust the clip in your head. 9. Hit the floor and then I hit the deck. I got your bitch on my dick. Now she feeling wet. I pass her off to the team. Yeah, we getting shit. Mulah ruler on this shit, man. I'm feeling it. Hustle team in this bitch. Yeah, we getting it, nigga. Motherfucking Mulah Eats. Let's stop. Hello, folks. Welcome to a new episode. So, what I was thinking is that, you know what, since I'm home now, I can do some more cooking and stuff like that. Why not start up a little TV show? And it's called, actually, it's not really a TV show, it's a YouTube show. But, nonetheless, it's going to be called Mulah Eats. Now, with Mulah Eats, I either cook some stuff or I do some, I don't know, a little bit of smoothie work. So today we're going to do a little bit of smoothie work. In the next episode, we'll do something different. Every single episode, we'll try to do a little bit different. Whether it's making a new smoothie or making some new food, whatever. It's Mulah Eats, and we going to cook this motherfucker up. Fire on these motherfuckers. Flames in your bitch. But let's start with a smoothie today. Now, for today's smoothie, we're going to have, sorry, the fruit was upside down. For today's smoothie, we're going to use these fruits. Avocado. Vanilla yogurt. Milk. Orange juice. A little bit of Welch's. And a little bit of oats. Now, the reason why I like putting so much different fruits and vegetables and also oats in my smoothies is because when I work out a lot, I expend a lot of energy. Also, one of my biggest problems is that I don't like to eat before I work out. Now, I know I need to get better at that, but it is what it is. We'll live, we'll move on. That's life. Now, since I don't really like eating before I work out, obviously when I get back from my workout, I'm starving. But you can't always, go and make some food. Food usually takes like 15-20 minutes to make unless you go to McD's, and if you go to McD's, you can't lose weight if you're eating fast food. So, we create a smoothie that fulfills your body, but also fulfills the nutrients that you need so you can get big and strong. Now, I'm not the biggest and the strongest guy yet. Keep drinking these smoothies. Hey, shit, you might see Arnold Schwarzenegger or Mulah Schwarzenegger, damn it. In your bitch. Now, let's take you back to another angle. These are the fruits. I do want to use that damn pineapple pretty soon, but we'll use it for something else. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Who knows? But let's get to the smoothie mixing. Let's put some things in there. Let's do it. Alright, ladies and gents, it's time to get this process started. Let's make this kick-ass motherfucking smoothie, nigga. Fuck it. I don't want to use this. It's going to be heavy construction, folks. Three, 2, 1. Let's blend this bitch. Oh, yeah, damn. Yeah, damn. Now, This is obviously not in its final mix, so we got to do a couple extra things. I'm probably going to have to add a little bit more water to get that real whiskey consistency, because water is really the key thing. You know, you don't want to have too much water, but then again, you don't want to have no water at all. It's not good. But this is what we got right now. Oh, yeah. As you see, the water would basically whisk all that white shit away. That's all yogurt right there. But yeah, that's looking like a bomb-ass motherfucking smoothie, nigga. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We actually might not even need to add water. I ain't even gonna bullshit you. We might not actually. Oh, shit. Sometimes I gotta add water to this motherfucker. Sometimes I do. But I guess this time I don't. It's a good thing. Adding water to your mama, 'cause your mama give me water. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Taste test. Ooh, you're whipping it. You gotta whip it. You gotta whisk it. You gotta whisk. You gotta whisk. You gotta, yeah, you gotta whisk it. I wish y'all could taste this. I wish y'all could taste this. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm gonna have to double dip. Don't tell my mama. So damn good. And I got the goddamn smoothie mustache. Let's clean up. And there you go, folks. Another Mulah creation. Another beautiful smoothie. Before we end this video, make sure you like this video. Alright? Make sure you comment. Comment. I want to know. What do you want me to make next? I'll make something crazy. Smoothies, fucking food. I like cooking. So I'll make something else crazy, you know? Also, make sure you share this video. Share it to everybody. See your mother, your sister, your brother. I don't give a damn. Share to everybody that you know. Mulah Eats, baby. And also, if you even want to watch this, make sure you subscribe to NTG Network. Because if you ain't subscribing, you can't watch the Mulah. Be easy, folks. Bang, 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 bang. Another Hustle Team production, baby. Ooh, Lil Shawty, shake that ass, shake that. Yikes. Lil Mama, shake that ass, shake that. Oh, damn. Lil Mama, shake that ass, shake that. Back it up. Oh, yeah, that big booty bitch over there. Shake that shit. Lil Shawty, shake that ass, shake that. Turn me up. Lil Shawty, shake that ass, shake that. Don't stop. Lil Shawty, shake that ass, shake that. She got the biggest fat booty in this motherfucker. Okay.